Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're not really doing crafts. I am doing showing you guys how I do my egg salad. Don't mind my peeled eggs. I had a hell of a time peeling these eggs today. So not everybody likes egg salad. I'm actually one of those people that's not a big fan of it, but when you put your own twist and recipe to it, it is really, really good. So as you can see here, I have chopped onions, some eggs. I have some bacon here, mayo with olive oil, some mustard, and then I have my seasonings over here, and I have my bowl with the lid. So I like to make this earlier in the day so that it has time to sit in the fridge and kind of marinate. So I got all my chopped onions. I'm gonna throw them in there. We love onions. We love onions on a lot of stuff. Like I said, not everybody is an egg salad type of person. All right, as far as your eggs go, they have this little contraption here. A lot of people don't know about it. You open it up. You set your egg in here like this. Like that. You close it. Oh, roll away egg. And you cut the egg for you. And then you can just dump it in there. But it's going to get cut up more when you get to mixing everything together. So let's do these eggs here. Kind of spread them out a little bit. Yeah, I had a hell of a time peeling these eggs. I know there's all different kinds of methods on how to peel eggs and stuff, but I don't know, man. Today was just one of those days. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Get these eggs in here. Now, I'm going to let this sit in the fridge till pretty much my husband comes home from work. And then we're going to make egg salad sandwiches. I have these yummy buns. And then we put pepperoncinis or jalapenos on top of ours. Oh, so good. This is a great dish if you live somewhere where it's hot all the time, too. You can always make it the night before to have it. Let me grab a rag here real quick. Wipe this cutting board off. Put that knife over here. It's just cleaned up because we got to cut up all the bacon too. And since I'm putting bacon in it, I'm not going to put that much salt in it, if that makes sense. To some people, I'll put a little, but not much. Let me get this wiped off here. Okay. So now, as you see in the bowl, we have our eggs and our onions in there. So now I'm going to take this bacon, kind of just set it here, stack it up like so, and we're just gonna get to cutting that too, but I need a different knife here. Now I made this bacon in the oven on a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper. You lay all your bacon out, you put it in your oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I wanted it crispier for this here. I didn't want any mushy bacon. You know what I mean? The good bacon you like have in the morning. I wanted it crispier. We got that cut up. Put that in there. I wish I could say cooking was clean, but it's not. Cooking always makes a mess. That is 100% accurate. I'm gonna wipe this off again. I love my cutting boards, you guys. Alright, so now we have this in here. I wonder if I can get you guys to come up a little more. We'll just stick you right there. So we have our onions, our bacon, our eggs. I'm going to take some mustard. Go around. I really don't measure. I do it for taste. I have the Kraft mayo with olive oil. I'll put that spoon in there. It's a new one I just got from the store. Just put a little bit in there. Set that to the side. I have, if I can get it open, garlic powder. We like lots of garlic. I have dill. You don't have to use dill. Not everybody likes dill. Put some dill in there. Pepper. This is a super easy dish. You can do this with potato salad, egg salad. You can make all kinds of salad with pretty much anything. A little pink Himalayan salt, just a little. a little paprika. And we're gonna mix, and we're gonna see how this turns out here. Make sure you guys can see. Now I know I'm gonna have to probably put more seasoning and mayo and all that stuff in there, but I like to just get it good base going, you know what I mean? It's gonna be good with the bacon in it. You can eat this with crackers, you can eat it by itself, but what we like to do is I'm going to make bacon egg salad sandwiches. So we have to put some more mayo in here. And if you taste it now, when you take it out of the fridge 4 hours from now, it's going to taste different. So I would hold off on adding any more salt or certain seasonings, just because once it sits in the fridge, it really has a chance to absorb all those awesome flavors. You know what I mean? So I'm going to get something here and test this. Taste it. I said test it. Taste it. Let's see what we got. And some more mayo. No more mustard. Mustard is strong. You know what I mean? Add some more garlic. Ooh, them onions are strong. Surprisingly, it's not very salty with the bacon. Surprisingly. So I actually am going to add some more salt this time. I wasn't sure how salty it was going to be. I said, don't know to you. Mix and taste. Mix and taste. Mix and taste. That's all you can do. I think the worst thing you can do is make it too dry. Does that make sense? You don't have enough of the mayo or mustard or ranch or sour cream or whatever it is you want to use. Alright. Let's see this. Yep, not using that one. Ugh. You ever have one of those days where you just drop everything? Oh yeah. A lot better. I think we're good for his mayo and mustard. Some more garlic. Some more pepper. Like I said, it's 2 o'clock here in Florida. So I'm going to let this sit in the fridge till probably 6, 7 o'clock, depending when he gets off work. Then I'll put probably jalapenos on his if he wants it. If not, we get pepperoncinis. Looks yummy. Can't say egg salad always smells the greatest, but my whole house smells like bacon right now. And that's what we got. We have bacon egg salad for right now. Like I said, I'm going to put the lid on it, put all this stuff away, clean it up, and I will show you guys how I do the sandwiches. Okay guys, it's been sitting in the fridge for some hours. We're going to open it up, stir it up real good, get all them flavors in there. Like I said, it's going to taste better once it has sat in the fridge for a while. Move that over here. How I'm doing it is we have a sesame seed bun here. She's going to take some and put it on there. Make sure you stir it up good. Just like that. And another fork here. Put some pepperoncinis. Put them all over on top. And there you have it. Put your top on, add your side, and in this case we are doing some Lay's potato chips. Put on there. And that is dinner, you guys. That's it. It's super simple. It's really easy. Anybody can make it and add your own flavors or styles to it. All right, if you guys like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, share. See you until next time.